Hi everyone, my name is Kathleen Kaller and I'm a teaching artist. One of my favorite things to create as an artist are hand-printed textiles. Today I want to share with you my favorite technique called Hapezome. It's when you use flowers to print on fabric or paper. So let's get started with materials. I have this nice piece of wood. This is a great material to work on. I also am working on a table, so if you have a hard enough table, that works too. You'll want to grab a piece of paper, white or light in color. This is construction paper, but you could use all sorts of different paper to experiment with. I have this cotton voile, it's very sheer. And you're just going to lay it out flat on top of that hard surface. You can also use any other natural fabric. Silk works beautifully, you can use that as well. And anything sort of white and porous and cotton. I went out to my yard and got some beautiful pink geraniums, and I found some poppy petals, purple daisies. I really was just drawn to the bright, vivid colors because those are the plants that are going to really saturate your fabric and get a good print. And I'm just going to start putting them onto my fabric, laying them out sort of sporadically. You can go ahead and create your own pattern, but I'm just going to keep it loose. I'm going to put that on there too. You can break off the stem so that the flower is a little bit more flat. Have some beautiful poppies. These other wild orange flowers that I want to try out. And more berries. See what happens with this purple flower that I have. And I'm going to press it actually facing down. I'm really going to cover up my fabric. I want to see how much color I can get out of these flowers today. So if you'd like to create a single print, you could just pound it as is. Or you can fold over your fabric and get a duplicate color, which will be mirrored on the other side. And then the final material you're gonna need is a mallet if you have one, or you can use a hammer. So let's get started. Here's our Hapazome print. So now that you're done with the printmaking process, you're going to want to let it air dry for a couple hours in indirect sunlight. The sun will fade it, so that's why I say keep it in a shady spot, and then you're going to want to iron press it, and you can hand wash it. And the color should stay for a while. I would just say hand washing is best, and then you have this beautiful fabric to work with. I'm seeing right now the shape of my fabric that it would make a really great decorative pillow. You can also cut it in half depending on your fabric and make scarves. And you might already have a blank tea towel that's already set up for use. So I hope you've enjoyed this process. I've loved sharing it, and have a beautiful, beautiful day.